Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays, but they commonly experience input detection problems that prevent them from recognizing connected devices. Input detection issues typically stem from four main causes: signal path interruptions from faulty cables or loose connections, selecting the wrong input source on your monitor, incompatibility between device output and monitor capabilities, and power management settings preventing proper communication. These issues often involve common cable types like HDMI and VGA connections that may become loose or damaged over time. Here are the essential steps to quickly resolve most input detection issues on Sceptre monitors. Step 1 is power cycling. Turn off both your monitor and connected device, wait 30 seconds, then turn the monitor on first, followed by your device. This resets the communication between devices. Step 2 involves checking all cable connections. Disconnect and firmly reconnect cables at both the monitor and device ends, making sure there are no bent pins or visible damage. Step 3 is cycling through input sources. Use your monitor's input or source button to select the correct input that matches your cable connection, such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or VGA. Allow 5 to 10 seconds between switches for the monitor to detect the signal. The input source menu typically shows options like Auto Select, VGA, DVI, and DisplayPort. Make sure to select the input that corresponds to your actual cable connection. These 3 simple steps resolve most Sceptre monitor input detection issues. Remember to power cycle with the monitor first, secure all connections, match your input source to your cable type, and be patient while the monitor detects the signal. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Sceptre monitor input detection issues, it's time to move to advanced techniques that address deeper compatibility and hardware problems. First, try lowering your source device's output resolution to a standard format like 1080p at 60 Hz. Many input detection failures occur because the monitor cannot handle the current resolution or refresh rate being sent by your device. Next, systematically test different ports on both your monitor and source device. Try alternate HDMI ports, and if available, test DisplayPort or VGA connections. Also test with a completely different cable to rule out cable-related issues. To isolate whether the problem lies with your monitor or the source device, test your monitor with a completely different device, like a laptop, gaming console, or another computer. This helps determine if the issue is hardware-specific. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. The most important step is investing in high-quality cables. Use certified HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 cables for more reliable connections and better signal integrity. Proper shutdown procedures are crucial. Avoid abruptly disconnecting power while the monitor is in use, as this can damage the input detection circuitry. Always use proper shutdown sequences for both your computer and monitor. Ensure your monitor has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which can cause input detection failures. Keep vents clear of dust and maintain proper airflow around the monitor. Regular maintenance prevents many input detection problems. Check cable connections monthly and remove dust buildup from both the monitor and your computer. Dust can interfere with proper signal transmission and cause overheating. Finally, know when it's time to consider replacement. If problems persist despite all troubleshooting efforts, especially with visible damage to ports, or if your monitor is over 3 years old, replacement may be more cost-effective than continued repairs.